we are declaring Mr. World Bangladesh 2024 is Bir Prashad!
Congratulations, Bir Prashad. We wish you all the best for 2024 to represent Bangladesh. It was very good to meet you, all of you guys. And of course, we could not do judgment about that. Both of them, please, you all come here.
Yes, everyone, please.
Every winner, yeah.
Every winner. Everyone is winner actually. Hey, ma'am, get the jacket out. Okay. আমরা ছেড়ে দিব বীর প্রসাদকে আমরা ছেড়ে দেব আমাদের সাংবাদিক ভাইদের কাছে আমাদের একটুখানি ফরম্যালিটি আছে সেটা সরল করে